This is Dawn Spalding. I am going to show you real quick how to go through the steps to back up the personal data that's on your hard drive. This won't include any Windows system files that will allow you to restore your hard drive to its original state. All this will do is back up files that you've saved under your user folder within Windows. We need to open up the Start menu. I'm going to click on the Windows button that's down on the left by your keyboard. Obviously you could use your mouse if you like. In the Search Programs and Files box, we're going to type in the word backup. At the top of this window, you'll see it's already highlighted, Backup and Restore. That's the option we want. In this window, there's a few options here. You can obviously schedule a regular backup of your personal data. I'm not going to do that today. You could do that. You can create a system image, which I will do that in a separate video. Or you can create a system repair disk. And again, I'll do that in a separate video. This video will basically only include information about backup and restore your personal files. As you can tell, I've already plugged in an external drive. It sees the Seagate Free Agent GoFlex drive, and it's at this time set up to back up to that drive. The drive itself is about 500 gigs. The internal drive on my laptop is about 650. This is a very simple process. You can actually see here I have it scheduled to back up every Sunday at 7 p.m. and I can change the settings there if I want. So we'll go ahead and go through this process real quick. Click on Backup Now. Give it a few seconds and it's going to start writing files to this external drive I've plugged in. I'm not going to let this run. It's going to take a little while to finish backing up all my files, and I don't want this movie to be that long, so you have to fast forward to the end to see the results. But if I go ahead and click View Details right now, it's going to allow me to cancel this backup. And I will be able to actually view the files that it has written so far. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. At the bottom of this screen is the Restore option. If I ever need to return that data somehow to my computer, I've lost data, whatever the cause was. If you needed to get back to this data, this is where you would go to restore what you just backed up. So I'm going to click on Restore My Files. It's going to give you a few options to look, for where you saved those files, and I'm going to click on Browse. It's going to automatically open up the external drive I plugged in. It's going to give me a folder called the Backup of C, which is what I just created. And then I have the Users folder, and within there my personal folder and all of the data within it, and the public folder and all the data within it. So I could easily go to my downloads, for instance, and if I needed something out of here, I could just restore from this folder. It's just that simple. Keep your external hard drive somewhere that it will not get damaged. I don't know that I would leave it plugged in. My advice would be to just use that drive simply for backup and restore. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a system image. Again, you could use the same drive to create this image, but I'm going to end this video now, and if you want to see the system image video, you can go to it and play it. So thank you very much.